Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers and Nexo, to this grammar class. Today, we study past simple, irregular verbs.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn irregular verbs.
First, I will show the lesson structure. Theory. We learn the basic rules. Examples. We see short sentences. Quiz. You choose the correct form. Nexo. This will be simple and clear.
Great. I like clear steps.
Now we start the theory. We go one step at a time.
Good. I want to understand the forms.
Past actions. We use the past simple for finished actions in the past. The time is often clear. Example. I saw a dog yesterday. Example. She went home last night. Past time words help us see the past. Common words are yesterday, last night, and this morning. Example. They had lunch yesterday. Example. He came here this morning. Irregular verb forms. Irregular verbs do not use ed in the past simple. Each verb has a special past form. Example. Go becomes went. Example. Eat becomes ate. Example. See becomes saw. The past form is the same for I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. The verb does not change with the subject. Example. I went to school. Example. He went to school. Example. They went to school. Negative sentences. For negative sentences, use did not before the base verb. Do not use the irregular past form after did not. Example. I did not go. Example. She did not eat. Example. They did not see the car. Questions. 4 questions start with did. After did, use the base verb, not the irregular past form. Example. Did you go to the park? Example. Did she eat breakfast? Example. Did they see the bird? Nice work with the theory. Now we use more examples.
Examples help me remember the verbs.
I went to the park yesterday. She ate an apple. They saw a blue car. He had a small sandwich. We came home at 5. The child took a red ball. My sister made a cake. The man found his keys. A bird flew over the house. The girl drank water. I did not buy the book. He did not sleep well. Did you write a letter? Did the boy run fast? The teacher read a story. You saw many irregular verbs. Now it is quiz time.
I am ready to choose the correct form.
Choose an option. Went. I went to school yesterday. Choose an option. Ate. She ate rice last night. Choose an option. Saw. They saw a cat. Choose an option. Had. He had a bike. Choose an option. Came. We came to class. Choose an option. The boy took the ball. Choose an option. Did not go. I did not go to the shop. Choose an option. Did not eat. She did not eat the cake. Choose an option. Did you see? Did you see the moon? Choose an option. Did they come? Did they come home? Choose an option. Made. My father made soup. Choose an option. Ran. The dog ran in the garden. Good job. You completed this grammar class.
Thank you, Emma. See you in the next class.